Hello YouTube, Mike here for another video. I just woke up a little while ago. I couldn't sleep. It's 3:40. Oh, pardon me, 3:40 right now. I'm heading to the gym. Got my gym clothes on. Just a few minutes ago, it was pouring out, and you can't see it, but I'm going to show you. The ground is way too hot for the water, so the water is evaporating, causing a misty oh, pardon me, a misty feel to it. So that's really cool. Got my mail. Nothing really important. Probably a statement from my bank. But I am going to work out, and I will take you on throughout the day. So stay tuned for more stuff. Literally, when I pushed stop, it started pouring again. So we'll see. Hopefully it will clear up in Niagara Falls. Well, just came back from the gym and the Dollar Tree, and I found out that they have the Kickstart Mountain Dew there for $1. So I think I'm going to go there now to get my. And then also they got the energy drinks for $1 there too, so I think, and they don't really taste that bad either, and they give you the same amount of energy as 5-hour energy. So I think I'm going to go there to save a little bit of money, because I do need my caffeine. I'm not really a coffee drinker. I hate coffee. Ugh. Coffee doesn't taste good well with me. So yeah, I went to the Dollar Tree to get more picture frames. So to post my to put my pictures in frames. I still need a few more. I think I'll need to order them from Amazon or something, because of the sizes that they are. Some are weird sizes. I have some are poster sizes. So I think I'll look in Amazon next week for that. So right now I'm away to Walmart. I gotta pick up some cottage cheese, and that will be it. Alright. Talk to you later. Bye. I just took out the trash and had a little nap and showered up. Got myself ready for work, and my hand is blocking. There we go. So yeah, took out the trash, and now I'm going to eat a little bit, and I'm going to work on my pictures before I get to work. It is still raining a little bit outside, and so yeah. Okay, I am back. I just eat dinner, and I'm going to work on some pictures. The first one that I'm going to do is I'm going to put, there we go. I'm going to put Walter Jones, who played Zach Taylor in Power Rangers. He was the original Black Ranger. And afterwards, Johnny Young Bosch played the Black Ranger. So Johnny Young Bosch was the second Black Ranger. And I got
my picture frame right here from the dollar store. Very, very convenient. It's only $1. I wanted to get a stand-up one, but I didn't have it. But all these pictures are going to go on my wall anyway. Okay, there we go. So basically, it was fun. It was really fun. What happened was, I wanted to get a picture with Austin St. John, who was the Red Ranger. But the line was too long. So I'm hoping that I will be able to, if he comes this year to Morphicon, I will wait in that line, because I already got a bunch of autographs from my favorite actors who play Rangers. Yeah, if he came back, I would definitely wait in line for an autograph for him. Oh, what am I doing? I can't think and talk at the same time. That's just me, so can't think and talk at the same time. But what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, bad boys. Sorry. Cops. That's an old show. That dates me right there. If you all wanted to know, I'm 33 years old. Yes, I'm 33 and I still love Power Rangers. Screw you. If you think that's weird, because I'm a big sci-fi nut, and yeah, this is not even, but I'll fix it later. But yeah, here you go. There's Walter Jones, and I'm going to could have bought 4. I'm going to do Philip, who played Merrick, and David, who played Billy. So I will do that, and I will be right back. Well, I just finished. We have Philip, who played Merrick, the lone wolf on Power Rangers Wild Force. He seemed like a really nice guy. And then, of course, we have the one and only David Yost, who played Billy, the only Mighty Morphin Blue Ranger. The only one. If you think of it, okay, we had two Mighty Morphin Red Rangers. We had 2 black Mighty Morphin Rangers, 2 yellow, and 2 pink Mighty Morphin Rangers. Billy was the only one that stayed through the whole Mighty Morphin Power Rangers era. He stayed up until Zeo, but Zeo, he didn't, wasn't a ranger. But yeah, and you can't count Tommy, because Tommy was green, then he became white in Mighty Morphin Power Rangers. But Billy was the only one to stay true to his color. Alright, I want to show you all of the pictures that I got framed so far. I have a few more to go. So let me show you. Okay, so here we have my framed picture so far. This is from John Kelly. I think John or Josh, I forget. That's how like it was free. Free signature. This is Zanimals. It's a TV show where these animals are zombies. So I don't know if it's already in the work. Well, they said 2015. I don't know if it's coming soon or the project failed, but I got a free signature from the creator, so I'm happy for that. Then we're moving across, and of course we have David Yost, who played Billy, the original Blue Ranger. He's so nice. I really enjoyed shaking hands with him and having a picture done with him. Then we have Danny, who played Leo, Power Rangers Lost Galaxy. There we go, Lost Galaxy right there. Oh, and my finger's in the way, I'm sorry. There he is. The picture right there is that last episode where he like defeated Trakina, and he's really awesome too. Well, they're all awesome. Then we have Sean. Oh my gosh, I can't think right now, and I have to finish this video. But he played Carter from Power Rangers Lightspeed Rescue. I got another autograph picture from it. It was complimentary because I lost the first one. Then we have True Blue right there. We have Justin from Power Rangers Turbo. Blake Foster. He was an awesome guy. Then we have Master Org. Ilya, who played Master Org, one of my favorite monsters besides Rita and Lord Zed. Then we have Walter Jones, who played Zack, of course, the original Black Ranger. Then we have Philip, who played Merrick, the Wolf Ranger in Power Rangers Wild Force. Then over here we have the man who voiced Olympus, Michael Forrest. Another one of my favorite monsters, but this one is directly from Japan. Michael Forrest just dubbed his voice, not like Master Org, who was sort of original. He was original in Wild Force. Then we go on to Xander. Oh my gosh. Crap. And he's my favorite too from Mystic Force. But there he is right there, the Green Ranger. He signed for me. Then we have David Fielding, the original Zordon. He was the first Zordon and the original. Then we have Paul, who played no. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry, Ranger fans. My mind is just going crazy. Jason Narvi, I'm sorry, who played Skull. Then we have Chris Viotti, one of my favorite Rangers from SPD, who played the Blue Ranger, Sky Tate. Then we have, Then we have the Queen. I call her the Queen because this was the most complex character ever in Power Ranger history, I believe. Melanie Perkins, who played Astronema / Crone in Power Rangers in Space. Then she played the second Pink Ranger in Power Rangers Lost Galaxy as Crone. Her story is so complex. I love it. I loved how they did Space and Lost Galaxy with her. Then we have Pineapple, who one of the monsters in Mighty Morphin Power Rangers. Then we have I have not used this code yet. I might give it away because I already have a signature from Steven Skyler, who played the Antonio the Gold Ranger in Power Rangers Samurai and Super Samurai. So I might just have a contest where I give this away. So stay tuned, Power Ranger fans, because you might want this. He's a very great, talented musician too. I mean, I went to a concert at Morphicon and he rocked. Then last but not least, we have Power Rangers RPM, the Blue Ranger. I am so sorry. Once I get, I'm tired too. So once I get all these, I got more pictures to go. I got one more of Sean to hang up, and I apologize if I don't get the names right or anything. I'm a true Power Ranger fan. It's just sometimes my mind blanks out when in certain times, so I apologize. But this is all the pictures I have so far framed. I have 2 posters. One is the whole entire cast of Power Rangers Samurai and Super Samurai, except for Bulk and Spike. But all 7 Rangers. There was 7 because there was 2 Red Rangers. There was, of course, there was the man who played the Red Ranger for the most part, and then the true Red Ranger, his sister, who played a few episodes. So I was happy to get all 7 signatures. And also I got one separate from Steven Skyler. I'm hoping next year I will be able to get a single out from Hector David Jr. I did want to get it, but he was apparently sick, and that's for another story. So there you have it. This is my collection that I've done so far. I still have Miss Applegate to go, and Captain Mitchell, and another one of those, and of course my 2 posters. So I will post them up on YouTube. And again, I apologize for this, and stay tuned. There'll be a contest for someone to win that. Okay, if you like this video, please hit like. If you want to see more, please hit subscribe. If this is one of your favorites, hit favorite. If you want to call me out on not being a true Power Ranger fan, please do so. Because right now I feel like I'm not a true fan. But hit those buttons, because those buttons are there for a reason. And I will talk to you later. Alright, bye now.